YouTube, welcome back guys. This is going to be a quick one. Want to know how to grab photos or videos from your WhatsApp status feed? This is how to do it. Okay, so to copy or download images or videos from your status page, it's pretty easy to do. Now I'm going to say this is a tutorial for Android phones. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't show you guys that, but I can show you it on Android. The very first thing you need to do is you need to go to your My Files section of your cell phone. Open up My Files and then go to internal storage. And if you scroll down, you'll see WhatsApp. If you look at the WhatsApp section, you will see media. Open media. And in media, you will see where you have WhatsApp audio, WhatsApp photos, WhatsApp videos, WhatsApp images, all of that stuff. But what you don't see here is statuses. Now to get the status to show, you're gonna have to go to the top right of the screen. You're gonna see 3 dots. Just go right ahead and click on or tap on that 3 dots and hit settings. In here you will find show hidden files. Turn that on and take one step back. Now you see the statuses section. It's dot statuses. This is where all of your status images are saved. Don't want to delete it, so be careful with that. So yeah, so just open up the statuses, and in there you will see all of the statuses that was in your WhatsApp. And here you can go and open up one, and you'll be able to use the share feature to go ahead and share that with WhatsApp or whatever else you need to do, or you can go ahead and save it. I don't know what that was, but whatever it was, it doesn't look too delicious. Anyway, so that's it. That's basically it. You go right in there, turn on the hidden files, and that's going to show a lot of other hidden files in there. So you got to be careful with that. The files are hidden for a reason. But what I like to do is I like to just go in and hit settings, turn it off, and only turn it on when I need it. All right, just like to thank you guys for viewing, and if this has helped you out or helped you in any way, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.